What are guys? What are guys? Friendlies or enemies? Friendly. Command wedge. Command wedge. Command wedge. 5 guys in the tower.
Wedge.
Command wedge. Wedge in front. Wedge in back.
Front wedge.
Little wedge.
Link. I've got 2 of our guys on that side.
Andy, that side of the wedge.
I got 2 of our shooters on the left.
Meccan, spread the wedge out.
Your center. Go.
There you go. Magless, spread it out.
Rear wedge.
Hey. He's got a rifle. There's 5 shooters in the tower.
Awesome.
Give us a link, relay to command, find out where he wants us, right or left.
Where do you want us over?
Straight ahead.
Roger that, towards the tower. Towards the tower. We're making the tower.
Jason, straight line toward the buildings.
Objective tower. Tower is the objective.
He wants us straight in. Come on, guys, up here. Let's go. I want a line.
Everybody.
Come out! Hey!
Wait now.
Go! Dead man coming up! Dead man coming up!
Alright, push it! Through the bushes! Through the bushes! Together, move now! Together, through the bushes, right here! See that red house? Take a beeline! Beeline for that red
We're going
house.
for the bushes. Somebody grab Meccan. Stay. Guys, stay behind here. Somebody grab maglets on the way out there.
Hey, Wall! You want to take this building?
What you got?
Go!
All right, we lost some guys out in the open field. This truck needs to start moving.
Alright, start moving!
Medic! Medic!
Are
Medic!
you?
Medic!
Okay, move. Man, I swear, I should have stayed then. Alright, let's go. Run.
Yeah.
Red house right there.
All right.
Ready?
Hold
Hey,
on.
sniper.
S.P.E.A.R.
Hey, hey.
S.P.E.A.R. Whoever's alive. Maverick, give our guys. We're going straight across.
On me. Come on. Ready? Go. Go, 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 go.
Go, 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 go. Don't stop.
Go.
Fire in the windows.
Hey, hey. Yo, dude, come on. I said bang.
Hey.
I didn't want to shoot you, bro. Both went down.
Fire in the window.
Move back, move back.
No, I can't throw him.
Medic.
Right here.
Any more grenades? I need it in this window right here. Right, ready?
You got Frank?
So your medics, just take a knee so this medic can get to you.
Here, tie him up. Watch it win.
Yeah,
Bang.
This is my last one.
No, but this gun must be.
Last time I have to hear, listen to your bitch.
Is your dead rag on, bro?
You got a sniper? Move back. Oh, you got a pistol?
And it's,
Yeah.
go, here.
Need me to move anywhere? Fuck, hit, medic! Bring him back, bring him back. Okay, this stack doesn't need to sit here anymore.
Where's your rotate? I just respawned. Around here somewhere. Here's one.
Alright, right. Ready? Okay. Watch that window in there.
Who needs the medic? I did get